my bike, my new one. It's an 87 KDX 200 air-cooled 2-stroke. No BS. I've had it for 2 days now, and I've done quite a bit. You guys are gonna have to watch my project videos that I'm currently making. I think I've already got 3 in the bucket, showing you how to do different things and stuff. But yeah, this tank was orange. The whole bike was like brush painted orange, like a really disgusting KTM color. So that's all coming off. I'm using a razor blade and I'm gonna heat it with a heat gun to get it shiny again, but I think it'll turn out alright. I know plastics are really cheap, but I'm trying to save money here. Also, I'm gonna modify this side cover. I'm gonna put some holes in it because I hear that affects, this cover is really restrictive and it affects the performance. So I'm gonna modify this air box while I've got it combobulated. But other than that, the bike runs good. It's got a Mikuni carb. I believe it's stock though. That's the stock Mikuni. But I had to clean it all out. It was completely filthed. Spark plug I had to clean and re-gap. I need to buy a whole bunch of spark plugs because this thing does foul them pretty bad. I think the crank seal is starting to go bad, but I won't know until I pull this flywheel cover off on this side. Then we'll see if that seal is leaking because it's belching out quite a lot of white smoke, which is indicative of crank seal or an oil seal or something in there. So I guess I'll ride it until it blows up, and then I'll just rebuild it. I'll rebuild the whole damn thing because in order to get to those bearings and seals you gotta split the case, and you might as well rebuild the whole thing when you're doing that. So that's my bike for now. I do have the side panels here for it. It's got Renthal bars, uni, air filter, blah blah blah, Arnett crap. It's got an FMF sticker on it, but there's no FMF. This is the stock unit. I guess it was taken off maybe? I don't know. I'd love to get an aftermarket silencer for this. There's no dents at all in this expansion chamber, which is pretty good. There's one little dent right here, but I mean most of the time you see them, they're all like dented up on this side. This I just repainted. Yeah, the pink's gotta go. I'm probably just gonna scrape that off and then hit this whole swing arm with the die grinder and make it look shiny again. All the stickers are coming off and all the plastics are going back to green. But I think I'm just rambling. I'm gonna finish telling you what else it needs. It needs a sprocket, it needs rear bearings, it needs a rear tire. It actually holds air. It needs a front tire that the tube is blown in. It needs basically just to get cleaned up. And I'll get some videos of this running later. I apologize. I don't think you guys are going to get to see it run in this video, but it is what it is, right? So stay tuned for my new videos. Oh yeah, check out this custom diamond plate. They cut it out and then riveted it on there. I also think I'm going to paint the frame green, just this part of the frame. All of this green, and then leave the swing arm and the shock and all that crap, the coil, just leave that. I do plan on taking the whole damn thing apart and cleaning everything up and redoing it, restoring it right. But for right now, I just want to get it running. I'm probably just going to leave it like it is until I blow it up, and then we'll go from there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, got it for 300 bucks, and I figure I'll probably put another 300 into it before I can start riding it the way I want to. I gotta, put the bearings and stuff in. But for 600 bucks, I'm gonna have a pretty nasty 2-stroke, old school, air cooled. There's quite a bit of places you can go to ride dirt bikes around here, so I'm probably gonna be making a couple trips to the Bonnie Carey Spillway. There's other trails and a lot of clubs, so I'll see what trouble I can get myself into. Y'all stay tuned.